Good morning, first grade Smarties, and happy Monday! Okay, so today's writing is for lesson 8 that Miss Ray will be doing. Now, remember, we're only going to be doing writing on Mondays and Wednesdays. So, when you're doing your writing, make sure you're using your best first grade handwriting. Challenge yourself. See if you could write, I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 sentences. Take this challenge. We only have 2 writing assignments every week. So, let's see your best first grade work. Okay, so let's get started on this writing. It says, which version of Cinderella do you like better? Cinderella by Marcia Brown or Cendrillon by Robert D. Sansuki? So we have listened so far to 2 versions of Cinderella. Now, the Cinderella by Marcia Brown, sorry friends, this is out of focus. This version by Marcia Brown is the traditional version. Maybe you've seen the Cinderella movie or you've heard a Cinderella story before, and that story is more of the traditional version. Cendrillon was a different version from this Cinderella because this one takes place in the Caribbean. It takes place near islands, and remember there were some different elements. There were different things about Cinderellon's culture. So, the Cinderella character looked different from other Cinderella characters that we may have seen before. Um, it was very colorful. It took place in beaches. Remember, she didn't have a glass slipper. She had what color slipper was it? She had a pink slipper, right? And the man, she already knew the man that was her prince, right? So that one was a little different. So you get to choose. This is your opinion. Which one did you like better? Cinderella or Cendrillon? I'm going to give you a second to think. And I already have my answer. So I already know that it's asking me about what I liked better. So my sentence starter is going to start with I, and I'm making sure I start with a capital letter. And it's asking which one I liked better. I actually liked Cendrillon better, and I will explain why in just a second. So I like, and I can spell like correctly because it is in my story. I like Cendrillon. That is a proper noun because it is the name of a book. I like Cendrillon. I can spell better correctly. Better. Now, here's the word I use when I want to explain why. Do you know what word it is? Because. I like Cendrillon better because. Now, I have 2 reasons. So I'm going to have 2, maybe 3 sentences because the pictures think of that fancy word for pictures we use in class. Illustrations. I could have also written illustrations. The pictures are bright and colorful. I can actually fit colorful here. Now, that's my first reason why. So I'm going to end that with a period. I also liked that and see, I'm saying the words as I'm writing them so I can make sure that my sentence is making sense. I also like that the setting, talking about the setting of the story. Now, this one was different too. I also like that the setting of Cindrillin was near a beach. Now I'm going to say one more. I'm challenging myself, guys. So I'm going to read what I have so far. I like Cindrillin better because the pictures are bright and colorful. I also like that the setting of Cindrillin was near a beach. Finally, now I'm ending my writing here. Okay, so I'm going to challenge you. Maybe try to write 3 reasons why you liked which story better. Maybe you liked Cinderella better, and that is your opinion. This is my opinion. Finally, I liked. Finally, I liked that Cindrillin wore unique clothes to the party. And how do I end a sentence? Punctuation. All right, guys, so here is your writing. Now, you are going to be seeing a lot more writing like this as we read more Cinderella stories. This is called opinion writing. That's when I talk about what I think or feel about something. Everyone has different opinions. Maybe you like the Cinderella by Marcia Brown better, okay? But here's the deal. You have to tell me why you have that opinion. Why do you like that story better? So here were the 3 reasons that I liked Cindrillin better. I can't wait to see why you guys like the story that you liked better. But don't forget, you have to explain why you like that story better. All right, guys, I hope you have a great Monday. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunny day. Get outside, read a book, and work hard and be respectful. Bye, guys.